Greetings, dear ones. Hope you're doing good. Yeah, I thought of reminding of tonight what we are supposed to do at night, 9 p.m. IST, doing the practices, satsang and practices together. Let's see how we can take on from there. If you remember, we had done all this a couple of days back, probably more than a week back or 2 weeks back. 3 days of satsang and 3 days of practices of shifting into awareness, basic practices. That's very important for us to get a good grip. Oh, it's raining here. Do you want to see the scene? It's beautiful. I take these long rides often alone. Today no music because the mobile recording is on. Look at those green pastures and it's raining also. Wow, it's like Chinna Chinna say. There we go. Yeah, I think I can talk while you look at the scenes. So basically, we will just revise through those practices which we did. They're very important practices. I think you shouldn't call them even basics, because if you do it very beautifully, then you can have a very proper grip that will just take you to the final kind of work that we are doing, the last. And see, we have these 3 months with us. I'm now talking about the retreat. So in case you are interested, that's fine. Otherwise also, after the retreat also, we'll have a lot of deepening sessions. What I want is, we should be grounded so beautifully in those methods by at least first understanding what we are trying to do. So for that, basics is needed, dear ones. As I said, there is so many challenges that come up in life, this and that. Yesterday we were talking about, right, all those muck that in life that come and go. Okay, that's fine, but that's all fine. How do you go from here? There. Okay, here I am. रास्ता थोड़ा हट गया था. So I was saying, we have these 3 months with us. So if the 3 months we can ground and get into the depth of it, of course we'll be having a lot of free sessions. Whenever we have time, we are going to sit with these practices and go deeper and deeper and deeper. Purify. I would like to add that word, purify. Yesterday we were talking about so many things, right? And we talked about how the muck can come over life and all those things. Everybody has different kind of challenges in life. Prarabdha. So handling that at the same time and not getting carried away with it. How do we purify ourselves? That's one thing we'll do today. Quick purifications. Wow, look at this. Isn't that beautiful? So quick purifications we can learn how to do, so that we don't get too affected or carried away by the happenings of life, so that we don't miss out the main purpose and goal of life. Okay, all these things are there. We have our prarabdha and all those things, okay, running very fine and smooth, good. But that's not the end. We know we are having a larger and greater objective. So we are looking to fulfillment of those objectives. Wow. दिल है छोटा सा. ये याद आता मुझे मणिरत्नम scenes. That was also shot in good rains. This also is beautiful. Only thing is, there's a lot of potholes. Wow, many people are stranded here. Oh, college students, they're enjoying their rains. There's a water body down there.
Right. Continue for 1.5 kilometers.
So we are having a ride through this village today. I wish we had music, but since the mobile is on, we cannot do anything on that. Yeah, so I look forward to see you all tonight. And this is for everybody. Yesterday I had said it's only for the basics, but today we have it for everything, because we are doing the whole, trying to attempt the road plan again for a couple of months, and we'll do this again and again and again and again, because we have done these kind of practices. You know, I try to deliberately put the 21 days things and all that. All those who have done it, beautiful, very, very great. You will see the benefits of it. But if you have not done it, then you still have time. You can do and try to get grip of the whole thing. There goes the sheep, the shepherd. ये दिल है छोटा सा ही है, उसमें भी ऐसा ही है. Look at them, cute. कितने क्यूट है. वो बकरी से अब ये बकरे की तरफ आ जाओ. So yeah, what I'm trying to tell you is, you know, we can do this perseverantly, continuously. If we do it, there is a good chance. And as I told, satsang, I'm actually going there only. I'm going to have satsang with my astral mother. There's a samadhi here, Kalavati Ai. She's very famous here, and I almost every day go and meditate. 1 hour I spend there, and some time on this nature. So satsang, I was saying, if we are in constant satsang, if we can be with ourselves, be with something more powerful outside, like I'm going for this, then it's great. Yes, I would look forward to your sharings also. Many of you have beautiful journeys. Many of you tackle issues in your own ways.
Left onto Patil Gully.
And that's how we can help each other. It's all in the collective. As I said, you know, it's not about me and you only. It's not about me telling you what. If you just look a little more deeply into the collective, you'll see most of them go through almost the same
Turn
patches
left onto Patil Gully.
of life. The GPS is showing me the right direction, and I am come to my little city now. There I'll go to the Samadhi. The beauty of that place is there are no donations. Clearly written there, right from the time of I means mother in Marathi. Right from that time till now, there are strictly nobody can donate, or I don't know, they leave their offerings in some way, but there is no offering box, there is no donation box, and then there is no flowers accepted, no coconuts, no arti, no agarbatti, no lamps. Oh my, probably I did those things, and she was something. She has a great following here. Maybe I'll try to put on a picture of her in this video. I'll edit it and put so that you can get a view of her, because I'm very much connected to her. All the mysterious people guide us in so many ways. I can't tell you the miracles that happen even from these astral people, if you know. Okay, anyways, that's what we are trying to learn, right? In all these sessions and all that, how to connect with these beings, how to purify, how to ground ourselves, how to come again and again into awareness, and how to handle life issues, how to have clarity. This is all we are doing, right? So we are doing a lot of grounding. I think after seeing that video, I got a little motivated. Otherwise, I was not. The video of Tirunamalai retreat, where many of you have spoken so beautifully. I didn't recollect that time, but when I put the video today, I was saying, oh yeah. So yeah, sometimes I feel valued also, because that's how our motivation also is. I wouldn't say our motivation, somebody needs to motivate us, but yes, then we are human beings, right? So we are human beings, and if we get a little like, oh, that's good, come, let's go, or keep it up, keep going, something like that, let's do this, let's do that, and let's get somewhere, or somebody tell, you know, this is happening in my life, this beautiful change happening, oh my god, that's a great bonus and incentive to us. Us means any teachers like us. So it's good to get, but at the same time we don't depend on that, because that's an external validation. Because if you depend on external motivation to motivate you. It simply means I am not assessing my self-worth. I don't feel worthy enough. I don't validate. I don't love myself. I don't accept myself. I'm not patting my own self. I'm not taking care of myself. It comes like that. So that is when we need validation from outside, love from outside, attention from outside, and all those things. Yeah, sometimes we might, but yes, the deep depth is this one. Anyways, so I stopped for tea here. Nice place, a regular place. That's the tiny tea we get here. There you go. Cheers. This is something called Kanda Bhaji. Big tea. Just a smack here. Hot. Okay, so finally I got into the highway, and then I said, okay, let me go a little more longer on this beautiful drive, because there is still time for me to visit the Samadhi. I can wait. And actually I am right now on the Goa highway. This is NH4A. You can have a look at it. This goes straight to Goa. So if I keep driving at the speed around 90, I will reach Goa in another 2.5 hours. But no plans to go now. Probably in next month or near winter we are planning to go with my friend. I'm waiting for my friend to come, and then we can go. So yes, I was talking about self-worth issues, and that's one very important topic which I would like to cover in the upcoming webinars or the free sessions. It's very, very important. Why we happen to look for validation outside. It's something I had deep realizations. I would like to share it and what I did about it. That's how life teaches us so many beautiful things. Every moment is a beautiful learning. Anyways, guys, I'll take a long drive now with some music on, and maybe a half an hour I'll drive, and then I'll go to the Samadhi, and then see you at night.